Hello, I got your question in the email. You have two tires in two towns, a tire A and a tire B. Then up here you have a satellite. I didn't label that, but there's a satellite up here, and they say the satellite's between the two cities. And they say the angle of elevation from tire A is 86 degrees, the angle of elevation from B is 87 degrees. The distance from tire A to the satellite is 15,000 miles. And they asked you how far apart are the two cities, A and B. So I've drawn a picture here. That could be the hardest part of this. So if we know the two angles, we can find the third angle. If you just take 180 minus, each of these angles, that would be the first step, is to find this angle here. And then we want to find the length of this side. I'd use the law of sines. If you know this angle, and then you want to find the side opposite, and then this angle's 87, and the side opposite's 15,000 miles. And so you could use the law of sine, and set this ratio equal to the other ratio. I know I've not done the work for you, but I was just trying to help you get started on it.